Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Afika binti Muhammad Rosli. My group mates are Nur Sarah Sajida binti Muhammad Asri, Siti Nur Farihan binti Sufia, and Nur Harith Akmal binti Harisa. Okay, the title of our project is the relationship between taking classes on campus or at home and students' discipline. Okay, move on to introduction. The purpose of we are conducting this survey because to know the students' preference whether they want to stay on campus or at home as their preferred location to study, which will affect their discipline based on the certain factors, which are facilities, environment, and convenience. Okay, the next one is problem statement. Problem statement is, do students prefer to take online class on campus or at home so that they can be more disciplined? And the hypothesis is, we are expecting that students will be more disciplined if they are on campus as the facilities are better, the environment is more conducive, and it's more convenient to study on campus rather than staying at home. Okay, next is methodology. We have conducted our survey by spreading an online form and collect data from different students from various faculty in IIUM. And we collected 100 respondents result, but after data cleansing, only 97 are accepted.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Haris Akmal binti Harisa, and I will talk about the preliminary analysis. Okay, our class started with 1.0 and ended with 5.0, while our class size is 0.8. For the class 1.0 until 1.8, we have 10 respondents, while 1.18 until 2.6 is 16, 2.61 until 3.4, 48, 3.41 until 4.2 is 18, and 4.21 until 5 is 5 respondents, which total up to 97 respondents. Okay. Next is the pie chart on the preferred location for facilities by the student. So we have 77% who prefer campus, which consists of 74 respondents, while then 23% prefer home, which consists of 23 respondents. Next is the pie chart on the preferred location for the environment by the student. So we can see the majority of the student, which is 87%, which consists of 84 respondents, prefer the on campus, while 13% or consists of 13 respondents prefer the home. Okay, the last one is the pie chart on the preferred location for the convenience. As we can see, almost the student prefer on campus for the convenience and a place for where they will be more disciplined, which consists of 97%, which is consists 94 students preferred on campus, while only 3% preferred on their home.
I will continue with the result of the analysis. According to the data obtained, every data has relationships and connections. Each individual, which is the students, have their own preference and priority that affect the data collected, which is their preference on environment, facilities, and which location that is more convenient for them. There is clearly comparison shows in both pie chart and bar chart that students choose staying on campus can make them be more disciplined in the studies. This is referred to the graph and the bar chart with the orange color, which dominated both bar chart and pie chart. Based on the graph plotted, students' vote reached the peak within scale 2.61 to 3.4, which is on scale 3. Only mean value is rejected as it is illogical and contradicts to the hypothesis, while the other method do support the hypothesis. Proceed to the run test. The run test has been conducted. and the test result calculated is within the critical region. This proves that our data is collected randomly. And for the last test, which is H test, all values from the H test run is higher than the critical values. That proves the hypothesis is accepted and the claim, which is null hypothesis, is rejected.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ibnu Farihan binti Sufia, metric number 1911992. Now I would like to conclude the presentation. In conclusion, student preferable location for online study can affect the student's discipline. Then, based on the mean from the samples, most of the students are prefer to stay on campus to be more disciplined. The result is the same as we predict before, that students will be more disciplined if they stay on campus. As for recommendation or suggestion to improve the current method that we use by spread the surveys for IIM students only in order to get a good sample. And we will restruct or rearrange the sentence for the question. Thank you. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum.